You will most likely find the RVG extension being used for radiovisiography dental x-rays or as a Revit external group file. This format acts as either a high-resolution digital radiograph for oral diagnostics or a modular data block for 3D building information modeling. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's determine if we are examining a patient's bone density or organizing an architectural structural group. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized RVG tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. The RVG extension originated in the dental field with the radiovisiography system, the very first digital X-ray technology that replaced traditional film with electronic sensors. These files contain high-fidelity sensor data, captured by CCD or CMOS detectors, that allows dentists to view instant high-contrast images of teeth and supporting bone. In the architectural world, Revit utilizes this format to store external groups, which are collections of elements, like a specific furniture layout or wall assembly, saved outside the main project file so they can be easily reused across multiple building designs. Dental RVG files are governed by specialized imaging protocols that map raw electrical impulses from a sensor into a 12-bit or 16-bit grayscale depth, providing significantly more detail than standard JPEGs. In modern practices, they are often wrapped in a DICOM-compliant layer to ensure patient data remains linked to the visual. Revit RVG files follow a parametric-modeling protocol, where the file doesn't just store shapes, but the actual BIM data, material properties, dimensions, and connectivity rules for every object within the group. Your primary troubleshooting tool for RVG should be the specialized Revit by Autodesk, Inc. Native Windows tools are insufficient for viewing all the file's raw data. Windows may offer minimal previews, but complete visibility requires a compatible application. The fastest route to the fix is testing every option. Right-click the RVG file and hit Open With. Use Revit if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If your RVG file will not open, do not worry. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, identifying the data. Distinguish these by their source. If the file came from an imaging sensor, like a Kodak, Trophy, or Vatex system, it is a dental radiograph. If it was exported from Autodesk Revit or found in an architecture directory, it is a BIM group file. You can verify a dental RVG by opening it in a DICOM viewer. If it loads a grayscale image of a jaw, the identification is certain. Revit files will generally not open in image viewers and will instead prompt for a CAD or BIM application. Next, opening and integration. To view dental x-rays, you must use proprietary software like Trophy RVG, Kodak Dental Imaging, or a universal medical viewer like Carestream. Note that these files are often locked into a practice management database and may need to be exported as a standard .dcm or JPG for outside consultation. For Revit users, you don't open an RVG directly. Instead, you use the Load Group command within a Revit project to bring those predefined architectural elements into your current floor plan. Finally, fixing missing elements and data corruption. If a Revit group fails to load, it is usually because the .rvg file was created in a newer version of Revit than the one you are currently using. BIM files are rarely backward compatible. For dental users, if an image appears grainy or won't open, the internal sensor calibration data might be missing from the file header. Using a database rebuild tool within your imaging software can often resync the RVG file with the patient record and restore the correct contrast and brightness levels. If the RVG compatibility attempts failed, the problem is usually that the extension name is being used by a program you don't have installed yet. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn RVG formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence regarding RVG. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. I'm thankful for every viewer I have. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.